Hello friends, let's talk about the journal here. Paid carriage for the purchase of goods and paid cash for the installation of machinery. I have discussed these 2 points in the earlier video regarding that first is a revenue expenditure and second is your capital expenditure. So when something is your revenue expenditure will go with the name of the expenditure. We will not see whether the goods were purchased or whether something else. Here when we are making a payment of carriage, what is going out? Cash is going out. Why cash is going out? Because the carriage expenses have been paid. So which account needs to be debited? Carriage account debit to cash account. Why carriage account is debited? Because debit all losses and expenses. This is your nominal account, and credit what goes account. Cash is here your real account. Next point, when he says the cash is paid for the installation of machine would not start working till the time it is installed. So when we make a payment for the installation of a machine, which account is to be debited here? Machinery account. And which account is to be credited? Because what is going out? Cash. Now question is, why machine is debited? Why not we have written installation charges? Because dear, machinery won't start working till the time it got installed, and AC will not give cooling till the time it got installed. So till the time installation of that particular asset, all the expenses would be charged to that very asset only. So here machinery account is debited and which account is credited? Cash account. Okay, now coming along the next aspect of the transactions. Now there is a third transaction where he says that timber of 25,000 and bricks of 20,000 were purchased for the construction of office building. Now here the building is constructed by using timber and bricks. Okay, so here which account should be debited? Building account. Not these should not be taken bricks account purchased or purchases account. Nothing would be taken because these everything is done for the construction of building, for the construction of asset. So this is a capital expenditure which would increase the earning capacity of the business. So which account needs to be debited here? Building account. And he says that these were purchased, that means some have been paid in cash or check, but check word is not written, so we will write the word here to cash account. Building account debit to cash account. The total sum of rupees we paid over here is, that is 2,25,000 in total. Okay, we will write how much total sum of rupees is actually paid here, that is 2 lakh plus 25,000 here. Okay, so there is total sum of rupees 2,25,000 paid. Now repairs for the machinery were rupees 10,000. So the existing machinery have been repaired. So this is your revenue expenditure. Which account would be debited here? Repairs account, not machinery. Now there is a question coming to your mind that when the machinery was installed, we paid it through the machinery account. Now when repairs are done, we are debiting repairs account. Why? बेटे जब आप AC इंस्टॉल कराते हो तो आपकी एसेट वहाँ पे इंक्रीज हुई है, तो एसेट वुड बी AC अकाउंट डेबिट. जब आपने AC की सर्विस कराई है तो व्हाट एक्सपेंसेस वुड बी डेबिटेड? दैट इज सर्विस चार्जेस, बिकॉज एवरी ईयर or after a period of 4 months, if you are getting your AC serviced, then that is your recurring expense. So the expenses which are recurring in nature, recurring means जो दोबारा दोबारा करने पड़ते हैं मशीन को वर्किंग पोजीशन में रखने के लिए, they are debited to your revenue account. And what is revenue here? That is repairs. So repairs account debit to cash account. Now coming along next, in the fifth transaction, he says second-hand machine is purchased for rupees 80,000 and paid for repairs. You know very well, whenever you buy anything which is second-hand, if you buy any car which is second-hand, you will have to get it repaired, right? So till the time that machinery comes into the working mode is what here, second hand machine was purchased and immediately we got it repaired, then this full value 80,000 plus 20,000, this total sum of rupees would be your capital expenditure. So which account would be debited here? Machinery account debit to cash account with total sum of rupees 1 lakh here. Now the second case is, sixth case is, machinery purchased for 1 lakh and payment was made through the internet banking. Now machinery is coming into the business, that is real account, and the payment was made through banking transactions. So what needs to be credited here? Which account is reduced here? That is your bank account. So machinery account debit to bank account, that is worth rupees 1 lakh. Now there is one more last transaction left. Now there is a seventh transaction here, paid rupees 50,000 in advance. When it is 50,000 rupees paid in advance and there was an order for machinery placed by the firm. First of all, we will make journal for this particular first line, that is advance for machinery account debit to cash account, because the proprietor is making a payment in cash but he is not receiving the machine, rather machine have been ordered and advance have been paid. So which account needs to be debited here? Advance for machinery account debit to cash account worth rupees 50,000 was paid. Then he says machinery was received after 15 days. The total value of machine was 4,60,000 and installation charges were 30. So what is the total value of the machine? That is rupees 5 lakh. So machinery received by the firm. Here the machinery is received by the firm. The B entry we will place over here. That is machinery account debit worth rupees 5 lakh. But the payment was made by check. Now, out of 5 lakh, 50,000 have already been paid. But machinery will be debited with the full value here. So, machinery debited with 5 lakh and the payment was made through check. Okay. Now, how much payment was made? Already we have paid 50,000. So, how much more is needed to make payment over here is 4,50,000. So, through bank we paid 4,50,000. The left amount, that was 50,000, that have been already paid by the firm. That have been already paid by the firm means that have already been debited to which account? Advance for machinery account. So which account will be credited here? Advance for machinery account. So when a final value of rupees 5 lakh machinery was received by the firm, then machinery account would be debited with 5 lakh. We made a payment of 4,50,000 and 50,000 which was not paid by the firm had already been debited to which account? Advance will now be credited. Okay, so this is for the day. That is a differentiation between your capital and revenue expenditure and how these transactions are to be dealt in the journal. Thank you. Keep scoring, like, share and subscribe to my channel.